Hello, welcome back to my channel. This is my first video on my computer. Okay, I'm gonna be playing Zombie Attack on Roblox. I might not be good, but after I might do Piggy or some sort. Okay, so I don't think you guys can't see me, I don't think. Let me go easy mode. I haven't played this in a while. Why am I bald? Okay, so that was just the music playing. Okay, there's my hair. So, how do you like my style? Okay, so I'm going to be doing right now. Probably you guys can't see a lot of it. I have an Uzi gun. It's a good gun. Oh, speed. And if you guys don't know what Roblox is, it's this game where, like, it has games inside of it that you can play. You can also create one. But I'm not gonna create one right here. Probably when I die, I might switch to Piggy. Okay, I'm gonna help this girl out. It's this. Oh shoot, she died. She died. She died. Oh my, oh my, oh my, oh my god. Oh my god. Ooh. Explosive. Got the wave cleared. Get away, get away, get away, get away. Die. Ooh, stun grenade. Okay, I'm gonna grab this stun grenade. Oh, what just happened? Okay. Zombie no. Zombie no. It's a tank. They die easily. Someone up there? No, I don't think so. Bang. I did this before with my friend. Yeah, I'm on level 63. And, so I shot off a zombie's head. So I said, bang, bang, there goes your head. For like a easy, quick joke. Oh, shoot, oh, shoot, oh, shoot. Thank you. Oh, God, oh, God, oh, God. See? Look at that. Look, how can you say no to that face? Oh, shoot, the beast. The beast. The beast. Mr. Beast. Mr. Beast, can I get your autograph? Hey, you get away from her. Okay? I'll kill you. Oh! Hey, get away, get away, get away, get away, get away, get away. How did you... Yeah, you leave. Okay, I'm gonna switch over to Piggy. My friends are buying this. If I die, usually I wouldn't keep playing the game and spectate, cause like I want to win, I'm not gonna build. I'm just gonna play regularly. Never mind. Let me just build. You see, I was trying to build my house. It wasn't going so good. Okay, here we go. Let me save. What? Wait. Load. Okay, it's in load. So here's my thing so far. There's what Piggy spawns. I have to delete some stuff real quick. Alright. I'm not gonna do my basement and stuff. You see, so Piggy spawns there. I really don't want to do it right now. So yeah, I had to quit. Okay, so we're in the house. Oh god, how Piggy stuck. Never mind. I died. Gosh. God. Oh yeah, 370. Okay. So Mousy. Mousy baby. Mousy. Mousy baby. Mousy. Mousy. What the? What the? Where are you? Oh, you right there. The pig don't know where you at. The pig don't know where you at. I think it's this. I don't know. Yeah, it's not that. I forgot my cousin's Roblox name. Oh, us in the boat. Okay. V underscore. Sorry. Oh, she has premium. So. I have 46 Robux. I might buy. Should I go to the shop? More. Avatar shop. Okay. Oh my god! Okay. Clothing. Oh, you be shining the Gucci. Well, I'm not gonna do that no more. Oh, chapter 3? Wait, what? It's Peppa Pig! Oh my god! I completely forgot. Let me just play this. Oh, we're doing chapter 1? You go. Never mind. Never mind. Goodbye. Dude, if you could just like... I'm gonna join the server. Okay. Play. Let's do... I want her to be the... bot? Let's go bot. We're doing a Peppa Pig! Vote this. Vote this. No. Vote this, please. Yes. Yay. Easy mode. I definitely did not play Piggy before. Not Piggy. Oh my gosh, I'm getting them mixed up easily. Neighborhood bot. Alright. Here we go. I'm not skipping this. I like this. I don't know what. Came out the Peppa Pig skin. Watching the. Oh! Wait, when did Peppa Pig have a backyard? Since when did Peppa Pig ever have a... Penny? What? What's in here? What? Oh, I need to find a way to turn the TV on. I honestly did not read that. Oh, my friend needs you. What? Oh, move the pit. What the? Oh, I need a lock. V? What is V? Oh! First person. How are you already locked in? Oh, gee, that's the bot? I do not like that. Kitty Chapter 3. Dragon's Life. Age of Heroes. Big Brain Simulator. Adopt Me. Tower of Hell. Or should I say Tower of Heck? A lot of YouTubers say Tower of Heck, so I just want to say See, I'm one of those new YouTubers that does not know what they're doing. No, I'm not a new YouTuber, I would say. I'm a noob-tuber. That's a really bad YouTuber. And also, I'm a noob at this game. That's why I have to go on. I just don't like this part of the map. Okay, there we go. Okay, I get really nervous on that one. Holy cow, I'm actually doing it. No, I fell! Every time I die, I go into Pro Towers. Sometimes it's easy. This is not easy. This is not... I'm telling you guys, it's not easy. It's not easy. Oh God, I just fell. I'm going back. I'm not playing Tower of Bank Tycoon. I'm good at that. What is this game? What is this game? Okay, so this is just a Roblox. What did they do? Olaf! Oh, what did they do? Oh my God, you have 10 Robux to change it. I don't hurt my donkey. What? What the frick? Hold on. What? Oh my God. Okay. Holy cow, I'm big white. Okay. I'm not. Welcome to my Sparrow Cat. Oh my God. What the heck? I want to play Bank Tycoon. 80 people playing Bank Tycoon. Let me just see. Huh? What is this nonsense? Okay. Let me play Peggy again. Holy moly, donacha. Holy smoke. I do not smoke. It's good. Put your face.